Welcome to another video. So today I have a smoky lower lash line tutorial. Now this look is very sultry, cat eye vibes with minimal effort. So if that's something that you want to see, keep watching. Also, if you're new here, my name is Adrina. I upload beauty content here weekly on my channel, and I also update you on my other social media platforms when I will be uploading, what I will be uploading. I do polls. I like to interact with people on there, so if that is something that you're interested in, I will have my other social media links down below. Let's get into this tutorial. Starting off with the neutral brown, and I'm just going to swipe this all over my lid. Now I already have a little bit of the eyeshadow on, and that's because I thought I was recording and I wasn't, so I'm just showing you what I did. I just put it all over the lid and kind of swept it outward, and then I got a little pencil brush and did it on the bottom of my lash line. And that is all I'm going to be doing for the lids. In this look, I really want the lower lash line to be the star of the show. So now I'm taking this eyeliner and I'm just smudging it in the inner part of my waterline. And then I'm also going to take it on the outer part, but like smudging it through my lower lashes. So you'll see here in a minute, I will show you how I do that. And then I'll just be tapping some eyeshadow over top. After I've set it with the black eyeshadow, I'm just going to buff it out with my smudger brush. Taking an angled brush, I'm going to stamp some of that black shadow at the edge of the eyeliner. Taking a pencil brush, I'm going to kind of buff that, not too hard, I just want it to be soft. Very blended at the very tip, mimicking what I would do if I was about to add a wing, but just smoky and effortless. As I'm buffing towards the inner part of the eye, I'm going to avoid following the shape of my tear duct and bring the shadow more straight and down. Taking a pale nude shade, now I'm going to be just cleaning up the inner corners, making sure I have no fallout. Now taking more of the shade on a pencil brush, and I'm just going to soften the lower lash line even more now that I've applied concealer. If you got to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. This look is complete, very fast, simple, easy to achieve. I hope that you liked it. If you did enjoy it, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't, and all my other social media platforms will be linked down below in case you want to follow me there as well. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.